Ever wonder how complex financial instruments like stocks could operate on a blockchain, fully compliant with US regulations? Ondo Finance just acquired Oasis Pro, gaining SEC-registered broker-dealer, alternative trading system, and transfer agent licenses. This means they now have the plumbing to build compliant, tokenized securities markets, like a fully automated vending machine for digital assets, potentially tapping into an $18 trillion market by 2033. A major regulatory breakthrough just hit the crypto world. Plume Network has secured SEC registration as a transfer agent for tokenized securities. This pivotal approval allows Plume to manage digital securities and shareholder records directly on-chain, bridging traditional finance with decentralized ecosystems. Consequently, the Plume token surged over 30%, signaling a significant step towards compliant on-chain capital markets for real-world assets like 40 Act funds. Contrary to global trends embracing decentralized finance, India is aggressively pushing its state-backed digital rupee. The Reserve Bank of India's E-Rupee aims for faster, traceable payments, reducing cash dependency, while private cryptocurrencies face heavy taxation and strict regulations. This dual strategy, though promoting financial modernization, raises concerns about stifling crypto innovation and driving talent exodus from the region. If you're tracking DeFi volumes, you need to know this. DeFiLlama just suspended data for Aster DEX due to suspected wash trading. This move, citing suspicious volume patterns mirroring Binance, caused Aster's ASTR token to drop nearly 10% and ignited a fierce debate on data integrity. A blockchain is like a public ledger. Fake entries compromise trust. Verifiable on-chain data is crucial for DeFi's future. The world's largest custodian bank is quietly testing something that could revolutionize global payments. BNY Mellon, managing $55.8 trillion in assets, is piloting tokenized deposits on blockchain rails to modernize its $2.5 trillion daily payment network. This aims for instant, cross-border transactions, but regulators like the EBA and IMF are closely watching for liquidity and oversight implications. Grayscale just made history, becoming the first US issuer to offer staking rewards for spot crypto ETPs. They've staked 32,000 Ethereum, worth $150 million, for their ETH and ETH products, allowing investors to earn passive yield. This signals growing institutional confidence in Ethereum's long-term value and yield potential, potentially kicking off a new accumulation phase. This groundbreaking move by S&P Global could fundamentally reshape how institutional investors approach digital assets. The new S&P Digital Markets 50 Index blends 15 cryptocurrencies with 35 publicly traded companies involved in the blockchain ecosystem. This cross-asset benchmark, with a tokenized version by Denari, signifies a major step in integrating digital assets into mainstream finance. This groundbreaking acquisition by Uniswap Labs is set to redefine how liquidity works in DeFi. They've absorbed the Guidestar team, a stealth group focused on pioneering new AMM and routing technology. This move aims to optimize Uniswap v4's architecture, tailoring liquidity solutions for everything from stablecoins to real-world assets, making swaps more efficient. The SEC just made a move that could unlock massive institutional capital for tokenized assets. The US SEC formally approved Plume as a registered transfer agent for tokenized securities, causing its Plume token to surge 31%. This integration of blockchain with US financial oversight is set to reshape token markets and accelerate institutional adoption globally. This overlooked regulatory detail from the SEC's latest ETF approval might just reveal the future of institutional crypto adoption. The #DEX Nasdaq Crypto Index, ETF, a spot product, requires institutions to buy underlying assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and notably, XRP, potentially creating upward pressure. XRP's inclusion, despite its regulatory history, marks a turning point, suggesting a shift towards diversified, multi-asset crypto investment strategies in TradFi. New alliance between the US and UK is set to reshape the future of global finance through digital assets. The newly formed Transatlantic Task Force for Markets of the Future aims to create joint regulatory recommendations for digital assets within 6 months. This strategic alignment on stablecoins and blockchain infrastructure is crucial for maintaining their leadership against emerging financial hubs. Binance just unveiled Plume, an EVM-compatible blockchain, marking a significant step in tokenizing real-world assets. This new network aims to merge decentralized finance with traditional financial systems, allowing assets like debt, commodities, and real estate to be tokenized on-chain. Think of it like a global, automated vending machine for real-world value, making illiquid assets accessible to more people.